Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by accepting the constraint. You cannot upgrade GPU RAM modules on the card. You must replace the GPU or use an eGPU enclosure. That is the only practical path. First, check compatibility. Confirm your power supply wattage and 8/6-pin connector availability, measure clearance in the case, and verify your system supports eGPU or the chosen PCIe slot. Once done, decide which GPU model or eGPU kit gives the RAM size you need and proceed to procurement. With your new card or eGPU kit ready, power down and unplug the system. Ground yourself to prevent static damage. You should uninstall current GPU drivers using Device Manager or vendor software to avoid driver remnants. That makes the swap cleaner. Open the case, disconnect power cables from the GPU, unscrew the bracket, release the PCIe retention clip, and remove the card straight out. If using an eGPU, assemble the enclosure and follow its quick start to connect via Thunderbolt or PCIe adapter next. Install the replacement GPU by seating it fully in the PCIe slot, tightening the bracket screw, and attaching the correct power cables. Then power on. Install the latest vendor drivers and run a quick benchmark or GPU utility to confirm the new RAM amount and stability. If you get no display, fan spin, or driver errors, power down and reseat the card, check PSU connectors and BIOS settings, and try a different slot or test the GPU in another system. That single troubleshooting step usually isolates the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.